Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last class, we came across how to find the equation of a lines which are parallel and perpendicular to the given without using slope. We know that if the given line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then its parallel line is given by ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. We know that any line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by plus k equal to 0. So we can see that the given lines, the nothing but the parallel lines differ only in a constant term, whereas the coefficients of x and y in both the lines are same. And we know that if the given line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then its perpendicular line is given by bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. We know that any line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. So this line is obtained by interchanging the coefficients of x and y. A b ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ y. ಸೊ y ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. Okay, change ಆಗ್ತವ. So this line is obtained by interchanging the coefficients of x and y with a change in algebraic sign of y. So that is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. It is the equation of perpendicular line. And we have solved examples on these equations. Now in this video we are going to derive distance of a point from a line. So distance of a point from a line antandre point is given and a line is given, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to find the distance of a point from a line. So we are going to find the distance of a point from a line. So this is nothing but length of the perpendicular. This is length of the perpendicular from the point P to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This derivation is very important for your exam, which will ask for 5 marks. So the question is like this, that is derive the length of perpendicular from the point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ಈ derivation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ we are going to use 3 simple concepts. That is, first concept is intercepts ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is x-intercept and y-intercept. And second, we are going to use area of triangle. And next we are going to use distance formula. Using these three concepts, we are going to derive distance of a point from a line. That is length of the perpendicular from the point to the line. Okay, so ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ we'll derive this theorem. Okay, so let's have figure first. That is, we'll consider the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis with origin. If the straight line, consider a line, that is the line is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So if this line cuts x-axis at the point Q and y-axis at the point R, then the distance OQ is called x-intercept and distance OR is called y-intercept. So let's find the intercepts. Okay, so intercepts ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ y coordinate 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ. If y coordinate is 0, then what is the x coordinate? So y coordinate 0 ittandre what will be the x coordinate of this line? So that is ax plus c is equal to 0. Therefore ax is equal to minus c. Therefore x is equal to minus c by a. This is x intercept of the line. Okay, and if this line cuts y-axis at the point R, y-axis cut ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ x coordinate 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ. So x coordinate 0 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ what will be the y coordinate of this line? So x coordinate 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 0 into anything is 0. So this will be 0. Therefore we have by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore by is equal to minus c. Therefore y is equal to minus c by b. So this is y-intercept of a line. Next, we have to consider the point, that is P, which is taken as x1, y1, whose distance from this point to the line is d. Okay, this is the length of the perpendicular from the point to the line. Okay, now join PR and PQ. We'll get a triangle PQR. Okay, now we are going to use area. So area of triangle PQR, that area of triangle PQR is given by, so area of triangle PQR, which is given by half into base into height. Oda? So this is equal to half into what is base? Base so QR, and height is PM. So ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 times of area. ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 into area of triangle PQR divided by QR. Okay. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So in order to get the length of a perpendicular or distance of a point from a line, we should find the area of triangle PQR and distance between 2 points. After finding these two, substitute them in equation 2 and simplify, we'll get a length of perpendicular. So we know that if x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then its area is given by, that is, now we are going to find area of triangle PQR. That formula is given by 1 by 2 into formula x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Okay, substitute the vertices. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 y1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, x2 y2 q1 and x3 y3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ r ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So x1 y1, x2 y2, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So we'll write this here, that is p point is considered as x1 y1, q point is taken as x2 y2, which is minus c by a comma 0, and r point is taken as x3 y3, which is 0 comma minus c by b. We'll simplify this one by substituting the vertices in the given formula, that is 1 by 2, x1 is x1 itself, y2 minus y3. What is y2 minus y3? y2 minus y3 is 0 minus of minus c by b, that is plus c by b, plus what is x2? x2 is minus c by a into y3 minus y1. y3 is minus c by b minus y1 plus x3 is 0. x3 is 0 into anything is 0. So this is equal to 1 by 2 x1. 0 plus c by b is c by b plus minus into minus c is plus only, that is c into c is c square. Denominator c into c, numerator ಆಯಿತು, divided by denominator into denominator is ab. Minus into minus is plus cy1 divided by a plus 0. So which is equal to 1 by 2 cx1 by b plus c square by ab plus cy1 by a, which is equal to 1 by 2. Take the LCM of denominator, that is AB is the LCM of denominator. So multiply by A and multiply by 1 and multiply by B. So we'll get AX1C. plus c square plus by1c. So in numerator, what is a common term? C is common in numerator, which is taken out. Left out term is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by ab. So in this term, I will take this c by ab as a one term. Okay, I will write it as a one term into ax1 plus by1 plus c. As area is a positive quantity, therefore we'll apply modulus to each term. 1 by 2 positive ಅದ, c by ab unknown ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ modulus ತಗೋತೀರಿ, and ಲೈನಿಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ modulus ತಗೋತೀರಿ. This is area of triangle PQR. Now we'll find the distance between 2 points. Okay, area find ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, distance between 2 points ಅನ್ನು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using distance formula. That is, we get q point ಅನ್ನು x1 y1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, r point ಅನ್ನು x2 y2 ತಗೋತೀರಿ, and we know that distance formula is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, 0, minus of minus c by a is 0 plus c by a whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square is minus c by b minus 0 whole square. So this is c by a whole square plus minus c by b whole square. That is c square by a square plus c square by b square. Take the LCM of denominator, that is a square into b square is the LCM of denominator, multiply by b square and multiply by a square, c square b square plus c square a square. And in numerator, c square is common, which is taken out. So c square into a square plus b square divided by a square b square. So we know that is root of ab could be written as root a into root b. Therefore, root of a into b. So this a term is c square by a square b square, and b term is a square plus b square. So root of a into b is equal to root a into root b. So that is, what is root a? So c by ab, and root b is root of a square plus b square. So c by ab unknown term ಇರ್ತದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, and positive term plus positive term is positive, root of positive is positive, because the distance is always measured in positive quantity. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ c by ab ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀರಿ. So we got distance QR. Okay, substituting these values in equation 2, we get the length of the perpendicular, that is the 2 into half into mod of, this is area of triangle, okay, that is half into mod of c by ab into modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by distance qr is modulus of c by ab into root of a square plus b square. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, modulus of c by ab, modulus of c by ab will get cancelled. Left out term is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ದು ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟು ಯಾವುದು ಎ, ವೈಗಿದ್ದು ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. So this is the length of the perpendicular from a point to the line. Example 2 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So you have to remember all the formulas. Okay, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನೇನು ಕಲಿಸೇವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is the distance of a point from a line. Next we are going to derive a distance between two parallel lines. So we know that if two lines are parallel, then how to find the distance between these two lines? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರ್ತದ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. That is, distance between two parallel lines is nothing but it is the length of the perpendicular from any point on one line onto the other line. Okay, so let's have the figure first. That is, consider the lines L1 and L2 which are in the form of y is equal to mx plus c1 and y is equal to mx plus c2. So these two lines are in slope intercepts forms, because we know that if two lines are parallel then their slopes are equal. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡದ. L1 ಈಸ್ y is equal to mx plus c1, L2 is y is equal to mx plus c2. So consider two lines which are parallel to each other. Let the line L1 cuts x-axis at the point P. Line L1 cuts x-axis at the point P. x-axis ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ y coordinate 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? y is equal to mx plus c1. So if this line cuts x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. Then what is x coordinate? X coordinate ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? That is, x coordinate is given by x is equal to minus c1 by m. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಲೈನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ y coordinate 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ. y coordinate 0 ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ what will be the x coordinate? So put y is equal to 0 in the given line L1. Then we get 0 is equal to mx plus c1. Therefore mx is equal to minus c1. Therefore x is equal to minus c1 by m. Therefore coordinate of this point is minus c1 by m comma 0. Draw PM perpendicular to L2. Draw PM perpendicular to L2. So this PM is nothing but distance between two parallel lines. That is nothing but this is the length of the perpendicular from P. P point is minus C1 by M comma 0 to the line. Ya line ige y is equal to mx plus c2. So this is nothing but length of perpendicular from P minus C1 by M comma 0 to the line, that is mx minus y plus c2 is equal to 0. And we know that length of the perpendicular formula is given by, so length of the perpendicular formula mx1 minus y1 plus c2 divided by root of coefficient square of x and coefficient square of y. Coefficient of x ಏನದ? m ಅದ. Coefficient of y ಏನದ? -1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ m square plus 1 square which is equal to 1. Coefficient square of x coefficient m ಅದ, y coefficient -1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ m square plus -1 square is 1. So this is equal to mod of m into what is x1? x1 point is minus c1 by m. And what is y1? 0 plus c2. This is divided by root of m square plus 1. So this is m and m will get cancelled. Modulus of minus c1 plus c2 divided by root of m square plus 1. So this is first na positive term barkotini, next negative term barkotini, so that we have root of m square plus 1. So distance between two parallel lines is given by modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by root of m square plus 1. So if the lines are in intercept form, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ y is equal to mx plus c1, y is equal to mx plus c2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so distance between two parallel lines, slopes are equal. Okay, so the distance is given by modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by coefficient square of x plus coefficient square of y. So this is c2 minus c1 divided by root of m square plus 1. If the equations are in the form of ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, then distance between two parallel lines, coefficients of x and y are same. They change only in constant terms. Then what is the distance between two parallel lines? That is given by mod of c2 minus c1 divided by root of coefficient square of x plus coefficient square of y. That is root of a square plus b square. So modulus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು c2 minus c1 ಅರ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ c1 minus c2 ಅರ ಬರೀರಿ. mod ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is mod of 2 minus 1 is 1 and mod of 1 minus 2 is also 1. ಹೌದಾ? 2 minus 1 1, mod of 1 minus 2 ಏನು minus 1, mod of minus 1 ಏನು 1. ಸೊ c2 minus c1 ಅರ ಬರೀರಿ, c1 minus c2 ಅರ ಬರೀರಿ, ಏನು ಡಿಫರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ mod ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. Okay, the distance between two parallel lines is given by modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by root of m square plus 1 if the lines are in slope intercept form. If the lines are in general form, then its distance between two parallel lines is given by modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by root of a square plus b square. Okay. What is the distance of a point from a line? That is given by mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Okay, now we'll solve examples on these two concepts in next class. Thank you.